Okay, I thought I would do a little follow-up video on my Yamaha inverter. Finally got it all back together. So there's your on-off switch. Basically, you just kick it on, give it some choke, make sure your gas is turned on, pull on it, cranks right up, no problem. You have an AC overload if you try to pull too much power on it. Tells you if your AC is working, of course, and then oil level, I assume. And this twin jack is so you can hook multiple ones together, output more power, in other words. And then you have some DC output on as well. So, you know, it's a great inverter. About all I had to do was get that bolt out of there. That was on the kind of fell down, got stuck on the those magnets on the, you know, your rotor. It's got all these magnets on it, just stuck all these pieces of metal to it. So just one bolt, pop that off, use a little puller, harmonic bouncer puller, pull it off. Now these covers, all this goes back together really good. You just got right here in the middle, you've got a couple little spring clips. I think this top one had maybe 4. Just pop that on there. Pretty simple. Just got to have this off. So, same thing here. Slides in the bottom, and then I think it's got a couple of push-ins, or maybe it slides on the top, and a couple screws. You got a hole. Put some oil in it. You got your exhaust output. So. Great little inverter. Let's see, we'll turn it on, give some gas, get on. There you go. Reasonably quiet. Takes a little bit to warm up, so it likes a good choke on it until it gets going good, and then gradually work it off. Now put a little Seafoam in it. Put a little Seafoam in it to because it's been sitting quite a while. So run some power tools off of it and that kind of thing. So it's I don't have a problem with it. It's very quiet. Very portable, it's lightweight. I forget what the weight is on it, but I would say, oh, maybe 60, 70 pounds, something in that range. So not too hard just to throw up in the back of a pickup truck and that kind of thing. So I guess I'll use it now. I don't know, I've got a new generator in the meantime, so I don't really need it. But it's nice to have something you can put in your truck and take with you. Use it out on the road if there's something you need to do, or you know, away from the house, whatever. So and I do have my EV, and I can charge my EV technically off 110 volts, but probably not going to do that because it takes too long. So what I bought it for originally, I really don't need it for now, but it's nice to have a good generator as a backup, and it seems to run really nice. So I'm sure it'll last a long time. Alright, so that's my follow-up. I'm happy with it. Wasn't that difficult. The hardest part was getting the little inverter back in with all the wiring connections that you have to kind of hold it as you slip it down in there and slip the plugs in. And so you got to be reaching in there and hold it. You almost got to need 4 hands to get the inverter back in there. So get everything connected. Make sure you don't have any wires that are getting caught on anything. It does, you know, obviously you got a little vibration in it, just you don't want wires touching something, rubbing through a wire, that kind of thing. So just make sure all your restraints, put a, you know, wire tie here and there when I put it back together. But basically it's a nice little setup, so I'm sure I'll have years of use out of it. So thanks for watching.